The name of Lakshadweep, Minicoy, and Admini's land was changed to Lakshadweep by an act of 1973. The members of Rajya Sabha are selected by elected members of the Legislative Assembly. The power to decide an election petition is vested in High Court. The present Lok Sabha is the 17th Lok Sabha. The members of Lok Sabha hold office for a term of 5 years. The Great Victoria Desert is located in Australia. The intersecting lines drawn on maps or globes are geographic grids. The light of distant stars is affected by the Earth's atmosphere. Which continent landmass is the least? Australia. The habitats valuable for commercially harvested species are called seagrass bed. The world's largest railway station is Grand Central Terminal, Park Avenue in New York. Entomology is the study of insects. Eritrea, which became the 182nd member of the UN in 1993, is in the continent of Africa. Garampani Sanctuary is located at Dipu, Assam. World Tourism Day is celebrated on 27 September. Where is Bose Institute? In Delhi. Which of the following countries has signed a non-aggression pact with Sudan? South Sudan. The Python hydroelectric project, completed with the help of Japan, is on the river of Godavari. The percentage of irrigated lands in India is about 35%. The pass located at the southern end of the Nilgiri Hills in South India is called the Palghat Gap. The Yarlung Zangbo River in India is also known as Brahmaputra River. The Salal project is on the river Chenab. The percentage of Earth's surface covered by India 2.4%. The present forest area of India, according to satellite data, is decreasing. The India's highest rainfall is reported at Meghalaya. What is the predominant type of Indian agriculture? Answer is subsistence agriculture. The Radcliffe Line is a boundary between India and Pakistan, which has a potential for the harnessing of tidal energy in India. Gulf of Cambay. The typical area of sal forest in the Indian peninsular upland occurs on the Malwa Plateau. The state having the largest area of forest cover in India is Madhya Pradesh. The year dash is called the Great Divide in the demographic history of India is 1921. The only state in India that produces saffron is Jammu and Kashmir. The zonal type of soil in India belongs to red soil. Which of the following food grain crops occupies the largest part of cropped area in India? Rice. The number of major languages recognized in the India Union as official language are 22 languages. The oldest rock in India are reported from Dharwar region, Karnataka. What was the earlier name of music director A.R. Rahman? Dilip Kumar. Homai Veerwalla is acclaimed as India's first lady photojournalist. Is Guwahati situated on the bank of river? Yes, on Brahmaputra. In which position Earth moves around Sun? Third position. Which is the smallest in area Union Territory? Lakshadweep. Which of the following river does not flow into Arabian Sea? Tungabhadra. Which pass has been created by the Indus River? Banihal Pass. India is located on which part of Indo-Australian Plate? Northern Plate. The clouds float in the atmosphere because of their low density. The largest tea exporter of the world is Kenya. Which of the major sources of irrigation in India? Well and tube wells. The mangrove forests of the Gangetic Delta are called Sundarbans. Which river are flowing in South Odisha and North Andhra Pradesh coast? Rishikulli, Nagavali. By volume, in which number Earth come in respect of other planet on fifth number?